You are not separate from me. You are not even connected to me. You are me. You, me, me, you, Aham, Tvam. As Paramashiva, Paramavatara, I am awakening the Paramashiva component in all of us. Not tomorrow, not slowly, but right now, inside you. Repeat ferocious, authenticity, ultimate Shraddha. I am Paramashiva, I am Paramashiva, I am Paramashiva, Aham Paramashiva, Aham Paramashiva, Aham Paramashivam, Paramashivam Aham Paramashivam, Paramashivam Aham Paramashivam, Paramashivam Aham Paramashivam. Do not try to feel it, just declare it. Consciously declare it. You don't need to feel it, just consciously declare it.